So, it's November. This time last year I was building commercial solar PV systems from 500 kW to 1 megawatt systems. I'm a commercial electrician, or electrical contractor, and then COVID-19 hit. I retreated back to my son's house, who's staying with my mother-in-law, and parked a trailer, a little travel trailer I had, in a yard. Didn't know what was going to happen for several months because of the pandemic. And I started tinkering, and I ended up building this deck right here. Makes sense. Excuse the mess. This weekend we had a party, about 15 kids running around the yard spreading toys everywhere. But in the past 3 months I ended up building this deck, kind of a temporary awning for the moment, for some shade, with storage. No real plan, I just kind of, it was all kind of organically, just kind of occurred and happened. And then on top of that, I got to spend 3 months with my son all summer, watching him grow up. This shed's kind of for toys, but you can see the kids pulled it all out. Put some sprinklers in the other day. 4 corners, we're going to grow a yard lawn out there. And this little walkway. And then kind of like a little treehouse fort for my boys, the kids. Came out real nice. Again, excuse the debris and trash. There was a party this weekend. And then on top of that, I built this. I didn't really have a place to stay. I had an old travel trailer. My mother-in-law's house where my boys stay is too full. So I parked my trailer and built a deck. This is construction, sorry. It's hard to see, it's kind of temporarily insulated and covered with this tarp just because it started raining a few weeks before I expected it. But I'm going to put a door in the next couple days. Got a furnace, little tankless water heater I got installed this weekend. And inside I got it all insulated. Oops, hold on.